Don't start with me.
Oh, no, let's see all of it.
I'm taking it away. See, I'm not putting up with this anymore. If you tell me what to do, and then James is whining and crying and kicking, I'm getting really tired of it. No, you're not going to play with that thing all day. You'll break it.
I'm going to break it. I won't break it.
Right now, he will break it.
I won't break it.
You got 5 minutes and you're done.
No, hey, I was wanting to charge the whole thing up.
Who cares?
It's not even charged.
Yeah, huh?
You had it in there 10 minutes.
Nuh-uh, hour.
Oh boy, you know, I ain't been sitting here no hour.
It's huh?
My grandmother wasn't born yesterday.
Just got stop.
Here, you guys go down there and take a look at it.
Oh, man, I don't know where to go, Jim.
Dad,
You didn't tell me where the place is at.
Beltline.
I'm
That doesn't tell me
recording.
anything.
Take 75, 635, 635 to
I can't do
Josie
that.
Lane, North.
Just got stop.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, and, you know, I'll, go ahead, and I'll go down and get
He's not
the
too
route,
bad.
because all I'm gonna do, there's not that much,
Let me see
there's
it
not that
now.
much to,
I'm using it.
basically
Just how
do
I
in there.
see it.
So you
I
best
just want
all
to go
three,
to.
if you're really serious about, you know, about looking at something, even if you're not, if you're serious about looking, that's fine. If you're serious about buying, that's fine.
Put your lip up to the camera.
And,
But you just tell them it's your idea and not mine.
oh, I didn't say anything about ideas.
No, I've actually been
You know,
with it for
sometimes,
about
when you-
6 months now.
sometimes I wonder,
You wonder, say it.
No, Jim's been wanting,
You wonder
okay.
if I instigated. I don't.
Jim's
Did I
been
say
wanting to
anything
buy
about a refrigerator when you came
No,
in?
I'm the one that told Mom.
She's
Jim's
the
been
one
on
that
my
told
back
me.
for about a year now to buy a refrigerator.
I know.
He thinks that because his water's draining all the time, he thinks his refrigerator's getting ready to go out.
oh, I don't think so. I think there's probably, from that, there's just, you know, maybe
And
in the
some things
summertime, it's good.
are breaking, you know, the ice
Yeah,
maker's
and that-
broke. My shelves in here, my bins,
Nothing opens up.
nothing, because we've had, the plastic has been put, you know, in and out so many times. I've got plastic that's actually just, it's worn down to where it doesn't support in the rails anymore. But as far as the basic,
Yeah.
the motor in there, I don't, it works.
Well, why don't you get ready?
That's
While
a-
you're getting ready, I'll run down to Home Depot and get everything you need.
Because I've
I'll
just
go
told
down.
Jim I could live with it until, you
That's
know.
okay. Now, tell me, though, what Home Depot did you go to?
I went to the one right here on 78.
On 78?
Yeah.
Because we.
Well, if he
about
wants to
3
go
or
to
4
Home Depot, let him go, because by the time I make up the bed and get myself dressed,
I gotta
he
make the
gets
bed.
dressed.
I'll go down. I want to get out anyway.
Go with him.
Jim can go.
Go with him.
I'm not gonna be ready for a minimum of an hour.
Just
minimal an hour.
Just get up and go. Well, drink your coffee.
I
But
just
I'm
said,
just saying.
I'm drinking coffee.
No, no.
He just wants to plan. He's the planner. He's the doer. He tells everyone what to do, and you do it that way.
that's not true.
He's used to sitting in an office. Well,
That's been
what
a
did
year
you
and a
do
half
about
ago.
it? What'd you do about it? Well, I
Jim,
do it this way.
Jim will call
Do
me
this.
on the
Do
phone
that.
and say,
What's that? Blah
well,
blah
that's
blah
what
blah.
he does.
You know, and he calls me,
Yeah.
and he used to call me and start these things, and I says, hey, remember who you're talking to.
Let me see it.
Go get dressed. will you?
That's funny.
And I got it all on tape.
Got it all the time.
And it's recorded too. Hey, Dad, what if there's a E blinking?
That means the cartridge is empty.
So
Yeah,
is it
I think
record-
that battery is weak
Yeah.
in there.
So is it
shouldn't
recording?
charge that quick.
No, it shouldn't. And that battery, you told me took over an hour to charge. It
So,
shouldn't charge that fast.
so there's no tape in here?
Now, there's tape in there.
Hey, okay.
The battery's already running down because it's worn out.
Didn't let it charge you now.
How much does the battery
Hey,
cost?
James, remember your Panasonic batteries? Remember how I've been telling you they don't seem to last very long?
Yeah, they last
Okay.
10 minutes.
That's what Dad's trying to tell you on that battery. The
Yeah,
battery's just
sure.
been charged so many times, it can't hold the charge anymore.
Man, that stinks. Who's gonna see it now? Well, we still got it all
I was
on
gonna
tape.
lay that floor out and see if we need to get
Oh.
some snips or not.
Yeah. No, don't need it.
Crack any of those.
What are you doing? There's a big black
You
spot.
gotta go make your bed.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Teresa.
need, some snips in no matter what. I think.
Bonnie!
Broke my airplane. See? Are you sleeping? You broke my airplane. Why did you wait snapping, huh? Faggot. Was you took a shower want my airplane.
Nuh-uh.
Two.
I did not break it, Scott. Only you used it once, and this back part kept on flying off, so I quit. It's recording.
Teresa. What?
Broke it.
The back part? The back part, that's not.
Bonnie. Hi, girl.
I know. It still works, I tried it.
We see. Hey, girl.
Does it work?
I'm using it.
Wait, let me.
It's about.
Let me do you. I was going to fill up the thing for an hour.
Shut up.
It took a whole out of it, and it's almost
James, I can't even see you, so shut up real quick. Alright. There's James. I can't even see him. Let me just get the dogs real quick.
Teresa!
Nobody's gonna keep this crap.
The dogs, and then the batteries are almost empty. It took a
Bonnie!
whole hour.
Hey,
10 minutes of film.
Chill. Weezy! It's Weezy! There's Weezy. Come here, girl. Come on. Come here. Oh.
Teresa.
What? What?
Quitting.
What are you doing?
I'm exiting out.
Don't! That's for homework.
Uh-uh.
Yes, it is.
You're playing a game.
That's typing, you stupid.
You're playing a game. This is in Microsoft Word, and you type. I'm typing a report about this.
Yeah, right.
Stupid faggot. Let me see now. Look. Oh, this is playing a game. This piece of work is called Impossible Art. The design represents my best work because. Oh, Mom, did you see him flick me off?
I don't care.
I'm gonna chop your middle finger off one day, Scott.
Put her in her bed. Laura won't take the time to get her out and put her in her bed.
I'm turning this light out.
There's flooring. We're trying to fix up the house. There's my dork brother. Hello.
Do this.
And stop. I'm not even getting closer to tape.
No, slower than
I'll send black like a dream. Ah, step on your toe, boy.
We're gonna need snips, and this one just have to be cut. We'll just take and cut it in there. Cut this one out, and then cut those individually. Over here.
There's me. See me, see me, see me,
About
see
the
me.
same thing.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Like a crap. And these here, once we get here, we'll have to snip. We'll have to get the snipper
Okay.
and a bag.
You need more silicone?
No, I think I've got
Hello.
one. I've
How
got
you
two of them.
doing?
If you probably want to use a white one though, instead of the clear. That's up to you though.
I'm looking on those so. Hey, Dad. Don't you know what whenever we see lights like blinking far away, that it is in constant power? We'll want to stand by your door and look in this. The screen is blinking. So,
The
oh yeah, man.
Please, I appreciate it.
What?